reporting from Seven Hills Hospital in Andheri, where the people are here outside the Seven Hills Hospital to get a vaccination. Here the management has been said, where we had a word with the authorities, where they clearly stated that the people who has registered in the same hospital and has got a slot. Here you can even see the people are making an announcement. There is an official announcement made by the hospital stating that the people in the age group between 18 to 44 will get vaccinated only if they have registered and got a slot. Otherwise, the people won't get vaccinated if they have not registered or they have not get a slot. We'll talk to the people here who came here. Sir, आप बताइए, you tell us, like you are here and by what time you came here and have you registered and got a slot?
I've registered. I'm 20 years old, so I'm very excited. So I came here at like 9:30, and yeah, it's what 10:15 right now. We're still standing, but okay, it's a good thing. At least we're getting.
When did you register and when did you get a slot?
I registered yesterday exactly at 7:30. So I immediately BMC tweeted. I put it out on my WhatsApp groups for my friends to register. There were 500 slots over here. Within 3 minutes, all the slots got finished.
Thank you, thank you. As we can see, the people are here. We'll continuously show you the picture from outside the Seven Hills Hospital, where people had geared up outside the hospital to get the vaccination jab. Now they have registered, and it is clearly stated, specifically when it comes to the Maharashtra government, it's clearly stated for the age group between 18 to 44, people here have to get registered and get a proper slot. Then only they can enter the hospital and get a... We'll talk to them, ma'am. Ma'am, can you tell us when did you register and now when did you get the slot? Have you registered and you have got the slot from the hospital?
Yeah, we registered yesterday at around 6:30 and we got it immediately. It's actually for my daughter.
Okay.
She's in the 18 to 44 bracket.
So how excited you are, because now we have been waited for this to get vaccinated to the young age specifically. Now you have been getting a chance to get vaccinated. How long you waited for this?
I mean, pretty much ever since COVID started, I've been waiting for the vaccine. So yes, I'm very glad to be able to finally get it.
You registered yesterday and you got a slot right after that?
Yeah, we registered at like 7:30 last night when it opened, and slots pretty much booked up in 10 minutes. But yeah, we got a slot for today.
Okay. So we can see your people are standing outside the Seven Hills Hospital. We would like to show you the queue outside the hospital, which is a long queue, very long queue. But yes, people are excited and they are waiting to get the COVID-19 vaccination jab. And this is not only in Seven Hills Hospital, but also the BMC yesterday has given a press release which stated that in Mumbai there will be the 5 centers only which will be open for the people from the age group of 18 to 44. On the other hand, the age group, the age above the 45, for the vaccination center will be closed for them until they get a new stock of the vaccine. But now, with the limited stocks of the vaccine, the people in Mumbai, the Mumbaikars are getting ready to get the COVID-19 jab, and we were reporting from the Seven Hills Hospital in Mumbai and other than that, Seven Hills Hospital, there are BKC, COVID-19 Jumbo Center, KM Hospital, Rajawadi Hospital, Cooper Hospital and an Nair Hospital. These 5 centers are open for the age group between 18 to 44, there where they can get a vaccinated.